In this video, we will show the best dumbbells available to buy. At number 10. Aurion Dumbbells. With its compact and selectable design, the Aurion Dumbbell set is the ideal personal training companion for speedy fitness weightlifting workouts at home. At number 9. SportSoul Vinyl Dumbbell. A pair of unisex vinyl dumbbells, 1 kg each, ideal for women and beginners. Ergonomic and compact design makes it a great product for home workout. At number 8. Protoner Adjustable Dumbbells. Protoner PVC Dumbbells, 10 kg content, 2 by 15 inches dumbbell rod, 4 by 2. 5 kg plates. Free accessories are gym bag, sweat bands, hand gripper, skipping rope and pair of gloves. At number 7. Bodygrip Dumbbell Set Combo. A combination of all gym equipment for the perfect workout. Weight plates on either side. Possible combinations can be made accordingly. At number 6. Core Dumbbells and Fitness Kit. It is a combination of gym equipment for the perfect workout. Highly durable and long-lasting. A perfect muscle builder. At number 5. RUBX Professional Exercise Hex Dumbbells. These 6-sided RUBX dumbbells is the perfect tool in your arsenal if you are fitness freak. These dumbbells have been designed to be easy to handle, carry and operate. At number 4. Cockatoo Rubber Coated Dumbbell Set. It is best quality, highly durable and long-lasting. Ideal for professional muscle builder. Cockatoo logo printed. At number 3. Protoner PVC Adjustable Dumbbell Set. It is good and serves the purpose. You don't need a trainer while exercising with these equipment. At number 2. Aurion Set of 2 PVC Dumbbells. These hand weights are PVC dumbbells offer excellent non-slip grip, which heavily increase grip during long or running session. At number 1. Core Home Gym Dumbbells Kit. The gym set comes with different variants of weights and dumbbells for a complete workout.